Hello and welcome. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can upscale and enhance your images. For instance, if you are generating AI images and you want sharp images that retain the quality even when they are zoomed, you need to upscale these images so that they can give you the highest quality. If you are generating, say, AI images and you want to have consistent quality, because in most cases AI images tend to be of low quality. If you want to use them maybe to create high quality videos, then you need to enhance them. You need to scale them before you can use them. I want to show you how I was able to enhance this image. If you look, this is an AI generated image, but the problem is if you zoom in, you will realize that the quality is quite low when you zoom the image in a higher resolution. So let me show you how I was able to zoom that image to this level. Now look at this. This is a very high resolution image that when you zoom in, you can see the finer details even at a higher resolution. Let me show you how I was able to achieve this. Now the first thing you need to do is to go to Freepik. Freepik is a free to use tool that offers stock images, and they have also added an option to create images, and here you can create AI images. So let's click on create. I want to generate an AI image of a giant cat resting on top of a lit skyscraper, realistic light. So let's go ahead and click on generate. You can come up with any prompt that you wish and then let the AI do the magic. Give it like 1 or 2 minutes for it to generate. So it is done. Now here is the results. The AI has generated a number of images using the above prompt. And what I want us to use is this. So if you look at this image and then you try to zoom in, the quality isn't good. So for us to use this image, we have to upscale it. Now to upscale this image, we are going to use a free to use AI tool called Gigapixels. So let's download the image and you can see the size you can download for free. This is an image that is not upscaled. If you have a paid account, you will be able to download a high resolution image that has been upscaled. But now because this is a free account, that should not limit us. Let's download the low resolution image. So once we have the image, let's start upscaling. Click on start upscaling. Now we have an option to choose our image or drop it here. So I'll just go ahead and drop our image here and then click on upload and upscale. Now give it some few seconds. It is processing. And it is done. So what we need to do is just to go ahead and download the image. And now it is done. Now let's go ahead and compare. First, look at the size. The original image is 78 KB, whereas the upscaled one is 4696 KB. A huge difference. Now let's see the quality of these images by comparing them one on one. So look at this. This is the original image. To that level, you can see there is a lot of glare. The image is not clear. On the other side, if we compare it with this image and zoom it, now you can see even on a higher resolution, the image still maintains its quality and it is perfect and sharp. So let's compare them head to head. Now, if we compare the two at the same zoom level, you can see a huge difference between the original image that was not scaled, which is this, and the image that has been scaled up and enhanced, which is this. So using this method, you can be able to scale up your images and enhance them, and then you'll be able to use them in your projects. And the good thing is that you can do this all for free. Let me know in the comment section if you are able to attain such resolutions, or if you have any other alternative method that you normally use to achieve high resolution images, whether they are AI or real images. So that's how you create hyper-realistic images with high resolution. If this video was helpful to you, kindly like this video and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video. Bye bye for now.